All right, so next on our list of steps for identifying key parts is the POD, the point of discontinuity. Now, we learned on the first page that there's two different types, the ones that you can remove and the ones that you can't remove. They're either going to be a hole or a vertical asymptote, which is like that force field, okay, that you watched in the original video. So, the POD is super easy. It's the same as the domain because the domain is saying x cannot be that value, and the POD is saying it's discontinuous at that point. So domain, this part, is exactly the same as POD. It's saying where x is not allowed to be, where it's discontinuous. So they're kind of synonyms, all right? So here's the easy part. Where it says POD, you write the exact same thing you wrote on the first line, but instead of a cannot equal sign, you're just going to write an equal sign. That's the easy part. Now you need to determine, is it removable or is it non-removable? Okay, so if we look at over here, once you've written this down, you want to look at your original part and you want to say, is there anything that I can cross out? Well, in this problem, yes, I can cross out the x plus 3's. They're totally crossed out. That leaves me with just a 1 in the numerator and an x plus 1 in the denominator. So x plus 3 was removable. So what made that 0? -3. So -3 was removable. Okay, and that means it's going to look like a hole on the graph. Okay, now this one, x plus 1 in the denominator, was not removable. So this one's non-removable. Okay, and that's going to be a vertical asymptote, which I'm going to abbreviate VA. Okay, in our next problem, okay, we have x minus 5 over x squared plus 1. Okay, so now, in this problem, it was super easy. We just wrote -3 and -1 down here. Okay, but for this one, there wasn't one. So this one's actually, since there's nothing to write, we're going to write nothing here. We're just going to write none. So there aren't any points of discontinuity. That means it's going to be continuous, like this one right here. Okay? So if there's nothing to write here, you can just write none. All right, on the next page, so you're just looking at the denominator. Is anything removable? Yes. We can cross out the x minus 4's. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this part right here on my POD line, x equals 4. That's where it's discontinuous. Okay, and it was removable. So that's going to be a hole. Okay, we got a you try problem, so if you want to try it on your own, just hit pause. Oh, I forgot the little slash here, so that should be not equals. So, now on this POD, okay, you're going to write the same thing, x equals 4 and x equals -4. If you didn't see it, I just put that because I forgot to put that in the last video, that slash going through the equal sign. Now, can I cross anything out with the numerator here? No. So these are both going to be non-removable. So in this one, there'd be 2 vertical asymptotes. So they're going to be VA. So that's POD, points of discontinuity. It's the same exact thing as the domain, same as the domain. Okay, you just copy the numbers down, and then you need to determine, can you cancel it or can you not cancel it? Removable or non-removable?